I'm Mary Beth Albright with the Washington Post. People are asking, do we need to take extra precautions with the groceries and the food that we're bringing into our homes right now? Remember, this virus is called novel because we've never seen it before, and there's a lot we don't know about it. The Food and Drug Administration has said that there's no evidence that coronavirus is spread through food or food packaging. Some people are disinfecting delivery bags or cardboard boxes, and man, do I get this. We all want to feel like we have some kind of power or control over a situation that increasingly seems out of control. The main way the virus spreads is through droplets, as when someone coughs or sneezes. Really, the things we can do to mitigate our risk the most is to wipe down surfaces, disinfect them, and wash our hands all the time. And if you have some extra energy, you can ask yourself, am I distancing myself from other people, not just other people who look sick? When I'm in the grocery store, am I keeping 6 feet away from people, even if it feels awkward or weird or takes an extra couple of minutes? Sometimes it's easier for people to remember not to touch their faces if they're wearing latex gloves or any kinds of gloves. So if that helps you remember, wear them. Go to the store alone. This is not the time for socializing. Touch only the things that you're going to place into your cart for your own protection and for others. Wash your hands immediately after shopping or more frequently. Go as infrequently as possible and try to have a couple of weeks of food on hand. You don't need more than that because there doesn't seem to be any problem with the American food supply right now. The FDA says that rinsing fruits and vegetables as usual is sufficient. If you want to do more than that, you can rinse or spray your fresh produce with a solution that is 3 parts water and 1 part vinegar. If you're really concerned about fresh produce, only buy kinds that you will peel or cook. If you're getting food delivered, the most important thing is to stay 6 feet away from the delivery person, or better yet, have no contact delivery. When you get the food inside, remove the food from the bags, throw away the bags, and wash your hands. You should really be washing your hands all the time. In a world where we now see everything as potentially contaminated by a novel virus, we need to focus on mitigating risks. So packaging and food at this time are not known drivers of coronavirus infections. Being around people is. So focus on that, stay well, wash your hands. I'm Mary Beth Albright with the Washington Post.